How you doing, guys? I'm Sean. Welcome to Rambles with my camera. Guys, today's video, very quick, Saturday morning. And I just want to get this wee video made and get it out to you because there's sunshine outside and I want to get out and get some photographs taken. Well, still in lockdown. I want to get out and get some exercise and take some photographs when I'm out. So these photographs here have got nothing to do with the video as such. Yesterday I was invited around, there was a street party, local community, big street, had the bunting and the balloons and all out. They really wanted to put a bit of a party on for the local children because obviously we're still in lockdown here at the moment in Belfast. So they had a wee street party and that's what these photographs here. They all kept to their own houses and property. And it was just great vibes. So that's what these photographs are. So listen, Wednesday night, what are you doing? 7 p.m, Greenwich Mean Time. I'm going to be doing a wee live broadcast and I'm going to test out the system and see what we can do. So if you happen to be about, I'll say 7 o'clock, we'll see how it goes. I'm going to be talking about photography. If you've got any questions or you want to talk about anything, I'm open for anything. Well, 99%. But you can ask me anything and you can leave comments down below if you can't make it and you want me to answer a question. It's going to be recorded, put up onto the channel anyway. So as I say, 7 p.m, Greenwich Mean Time, bit of crack, bit of fun. And by the way, it's like, asking a girl to meet you or a guy to meet you at a particular place. I'll be there at 7 p.m. and you're standing there 20 past 7 and no show. Has that ever happened to you? Huh? Well, let me tell you, if nobody weighs in by about 10 past 7, I'll wrap it up because I'm not going to be sitting there like Billy No-Mates. But if it's only me and you, if only one person turns up, well, do you know what? We've got a bit of crack going. Guys, listen, Sanya's love from Belfast. Have a fantastic weekend. Stay safe, look after yourselves, look after each other, and I'll see you in the next video.